Hey everyone. So let's get to his mouth. All right. So we're going to use the asteroid object again. All right. So I'm going to show you a quick little, whoops. So we're going to use the asteroid object again. And I'm going to show you a little tool that makes things a little easier placing it. So we're going to use this tool right here. And we're going to drag it right over, right about where his mouth is, right? Okay. All right, and that creates a plane. And whenever we drag something from here, an object, it goes right onto that plane. It just makes things easier lining things up. So I'm going to drop the coarseness down again. Okay. And the number of divisions we're going to drop way down. Now we're going to select the corner and we're going to hold shift, left mouse drag, and make them really small. Okay. Now let's move him over. I'm going to change his color to coal. Okay, he's still a little small. So we'll hit F to frame him. And see if we can make it a little smaller. There we go. Okay. So we're going to create a smile. All right. Just maybe a little smaller if we can get it. Okay. All right, so let's edit, duplicate, edit, duplicate, edit, duplicate. Oh, that didn't work. Select it again, edit, duplicate. Go edit, duplicate again. Okay, edit, duplicate, and looks pretty good. Let's move in closer. Make it a little, make the smile a little nicer. Okay. All right, so as you notice, it's not in his mouth. I mean on the snow head. So now we'll just have to select them. And then we'll just push them back. Okay. And then we start selecting them individually. So select away. And then select each one and just kind of push them in by hand. Okay. So there's his smile. Looking pretty good. Okay. You don't have to do it exactly like me. You can make it a little more specific to how you would want to see it. It's all about being creative and having fun. So we will make his corncob pipe in the next video. See you then.
Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see,
and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.